Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Grammar by Zoya Khan. This is Zoya, your grammar instructor, and I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we will learn a new word inshallah. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's word is nugatory. Nugatory is an adjective जिसका उर्दू में मतलब होता है बेकार, गैर अहम. English meaning worth nothing, of no value or importance. For example, all your excuses for why you didn't attend the class are nugatory. Nugatory basically कहा जाता है बेकार, गैर अहम, फजूल, नकारा, निकम्मा जिसका कोई फ़ायदा ना हो, गैर मौसर जिसका कोई असर ना हो. You can say that nugatory observations or pointless observations. Now your task is you have to use this word in your own sentences, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.